We now get our first glimpse at the Geekbench 6 benchmark score of the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 processor, which is the greatest Galaxy S25 Ultra's improvement yet. Samsung is aiming to provide a performance beyond anything we have ever seen on a smartphone. Our results are really record-breaking, particularly the multi-core score of 8840, which is far higher than the multi-core performance of the iPhone 15 Pro. We have 2,884 single cores and 8,840 multi-cores. Not only are the scores known, but we also know the precise design of this chip. It has 8 cores in all, with performance ratings reaching up to 4 GHz. I never thought that a phone with a maximum clock speed of 4 GHz would be released, but the Galaxy S25 Ultra is about to shatter all previous records. Qualcomm has not only outperformed Apple in terms of CPU performance, but they also aim to overtake Apple in terms of GPU performance, with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 offering equally insane graphics performance. The remarkable GPU update has been further revealed by Digital Chat Station, which has a stellar track record in this regard. With all these performance improvements, I really hope that serious game developers start to come to Android to take use of this amazing GPU. With the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4, Samsung will have an even greater edge over Apple when it comes to GPU performance. Galaxy, given that it is verified to be in full development, they could finally release their much-anticipated satellite connection function with the Galaxy S25 series. The software Cod League, which was obtained by Android Authority, claims that Samsung is developing an emergency SOS or emergency text message service via satellite. This service will allow users to send and receive texts via satellite connectivity. Since the iPhone 14 has had this feature, it is highly recommended that Samsung include this in the Galaxy S25 series. We are likely to see a more developed version of the One UI 7.0 with the S25 series. The One UI 7.0 has been the subject of several leaks lately, with influence from iOS. According to the most recent information available, One UI 7.0 will not be released until the first week of September. Samsung is reportedly working to resolve some issues before releasing the update to beta developers. If all goes according to plan, this means the beta will likely launch by the end of this month. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.